In today's video, I'll be showing you how you can uh, publish your book, the step-by-step guide. I'll be showing you all the details you need. I'll be walking through the steps. Just watch this video to the end, then you will see how you can do that. Even if you are a beginner or you have been writing and you don't know how to do that, or have been looking for the opportunity, this is the best video you can ever watch on Amazon when it comes to publishing your book online. So in this video, I'll be showing you how to do that. You can see this is my dashboard. This is my account. You will click on this Kindle ebook. In one of my videos, I have shown you how you can write your book and edit and format and do all those stuff. So, but in this one, I'll be showing you how you will actually publish your book. The content you will need to put in each box. That's what I mean. So if you have not subscribed to this my channel, this opportunity to do that. Hit the subscription button, subscribe button, and turn on the notification button as well, so that you always get every details, every quality update whenever I do update like this, so that you will not be missing out on any of my videos. Alright, so let's continue. So I want to start this. You click on this Kindle ebook. So I click on it. Let's see how it loads. So the page is loading. So it has finished loading now. The things you need to do now is to write your book title. So you can see it's under English. So I will choose my title. Let's say my title is I have one of the one I want to use. So I will quickly open it to make a selection. So let's see. Let's wait for it to load. Let's wait for it to load, so that you don't miss out on anything. Alright, so this is going to be my title. Kindle Publishing Made Easy. Now under it you have subtitle. So I also select what I want to use as a subtitle. I want to select this. Copy. This is a subtitle, my subtitle, so that this is going to appear as part of the title. Now I'm not publishing it as a series, and also it's not a part of edition number. Now what is the name I want to use? So let me say my name is Obin, last name. Now contributors, I do not have any contributors, so I'm solely the owner of it. So now for description, I want to describe what this book is all about. This Kindle Publishing Made Easy. So I have written my description already, so I'll simply go where I have it and copy and paste it there. So you can see this is my description, so I will simply copy all that I have here. Okay, it is part of the description. So this is the description, so I simply copy it, head back to this box and paste. I hope you are following what I'm doing here, because what I'm teaching you here is very, very important. There's nowhere you will get this. I'm teaching you the raw deal, unedited. So if you follow all these simple techniques, you become a better publisher. You don't have you will not lose out on anything. So at the same time, if you have any question, just drop it in the box there. I will do my best to answer as much as I can. So this is the description of this book. Now the next is publishing right. I will say I own the publishing right. Then keywords. uh, what does keyword mean? Keyword means what this book is related to. That means for people that will be searching for this book, the other ways, other titles that they will be likely searching for. So I have made a selection of my keyword, and I will simply open and make make selection. So you can see this is where I put it. I select all these one by one. Simply paste. Second one, I select again. Ctrl C, copy, paste. The third one, it's not a must that you may add all the spaces, but for me, I try to fill it up so that my book can easily be ranked and also be seen on the search engine as well. Fourth one, the fifth one, copy. Then sixth one, Ctrl C. Well, then the last one. So you can see we are doing everything step by step so that you don't miss out on anything, and you don't think you will not think that is one Photoshop training or something like that. So I want to select categories. Now what do you put under these categories? You simply select where you want this your book to be under. So I will click on set categories. Now this book is a non-fiction. So you can see here fiction, non-fiction, juvenile, and the rest of it. So I will select non-fiction. Then under non-fiction, where do I want this my book to be? You can see the categories we have here: health, fitness, and the rest of them. Now I want this book to be under self-help. You can decide to put it in any other um, category, but for me, let me put it under self-help for the benefit of this video. Alright, so I have chosen the two categories I want it to be under, and I will click save. So my book will be, it has been under other categories. Then the next is age grade, so I don't need to fill anything here. I don't need to fill anything there because I want it to be normal. Now we select I'm ready to publish a book now. Then I click save and continue. So it will be is saving my work, and it will move to the next stage. Alright, so we have gotten to the next stage, which is to add my book contents. So under this book contents, simply follow the necessary procedure. So under digital management rights, so I'll leave it here, leave it like that. Then you upload your ebook manuscript. So this is where you upload your ebook manuscript. So I'll simply click here and select where I have my manuscript. So I'm going to make use of the one I have on my system here. Simply select. So you can see it's uploading. Once it's finished loading, we move to the book cover. So it is successful. So you can see it says manuscript Kindle publishing made easy, uploaded successfully. Now next is launch your cover creator. That is, you either upload your cover or you launch your cover. But I have already created my own, so I simply click on upload the cover already, so I can upload my cover file. That is the book I want to upload. So here I have the design to this book cover. So you can see in one of my video I told you that if you don't know how to design your book cover, you can outsource on Fiverr. So all the descriptions will be in the description down below. So if you don't know, you can follow the link and outsource for this. So for here I will just select this one and upload. It's also uploading. It's uploading. It says an error occurred. Why did the error occur? Let's see. Okay, so it says there is an error here. So I'll try and upload another one, which is a better and bigger one. So let's see how this one will go. I want us to follow all the steps because all the steps is very, very important. Alright, so for the benefit of this video, I have to upload another ebook cover so that we can finish up on this. So I have uploaded another ebook cover. So it's showing processing your file. So once it is done, it will show like this. That means it will soon upload. The cover will soon show here. So let's proceed to the uh, next thing to do. So you can see that the book cover has shown here, but this is not the one I wanted to upload. But due to maybe one or two errors, so in which I will fix that. But I just have to use another one because it's still the same cover. So here, if you want to preview your book and preview all that you have done, you just click on launch preview. So in which you have to do that to see if everything is right. If not, it cannot take you to the next stage, or you'll not be able to enter the next stage. So you can see it's saying we are preparing your book for review. So this is how the book will appear. You can see that everything is in order. This is how it will appear. Everything is in order. So let's check. Once is okay, then that means everything is alright. If you want to check how it will look in phone, and this one is in tablet, e-reader, phone, how it will appear if somebody is viewing it with phone, you can select phone. If you want to see how it will appear in e-reader, you also select. So if it's on phone, this is how it will look like. Excellent. So everything is in order. So that means we are good to go. So we'll continue from where we stop. Alright, so let's continue. So under here, I don't need to put anything here because KDP itself will automatically assign an ISBN number to it. So there's no need for you to disturb yourself. So you just simply click save and continue. Now we are heading to the last stage. After that, our book will be ready to be published. So sorry, this is taking some time to load. We just have to be patient, let it load finish. Alright, so now this is the last stage for our book to be published. So you can see here where it says enroll your book in KDB Select. So if you're a beginner, this is what I always encourage. So select enroll so that your book will be enrolled for for KDB Select. That means KDB will be helping you to market the book and sell, and at the end of the month you'll be getting some returns in form of royalties. So on the also on this one, you leave it like this: territories, primary marketplace. This is Amazon. Now the next one is pricing, royalty, and distribution. So if you select 35%, that means that's what you'll be getting. So but for me, I do select 70%. Now my price, what do I price my book? I will start from 2.99.